Yes, the topic for today is our Earth. So, our Earth is one of the planets. Yes, how many planets are there in the solar system? 8 planets. Yes, there are 8 planets in the solar system. Can you name them? Aditya Ram, can you name the 8 planets?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus,
Yes, yes,
Neptune.
correct, correct, correct.
Ma'am,
Venus,
I
Earth,
told.
Mars, Uranus.
Yes, these are all
Ma'am,
the 8
I
planets.
told.
These, yes, 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 correct, correct. Those who have given the answer, thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, Aslan and Aryan, thank you. I think remaining children also know this answer. So there are 8 planets. Yes, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the 8 planets of the solar system. And our planet name is Earth. Earth is our planet. Yes, it is the only planet which supports life. Earth is the only planet which supports life. Why? Because on this earth only water is present, air is present, atmosphere is present. So living things need all these things. So all the things which living things need are present on the earth. So that's the reason life is possible only on the earth, not other planets. So Earth is such a planet that support life. So most of the Earth is covered by water. Nearly 3/4 of Earth's surface is covered by water. So that's the reason Earth is called as blue planet. Earth is called as blue planet. So suppose if you want to know about the earth, you have to see the model of the earth. So earth is in round in shape and the model of the earth is called globe. The model of the earth is called globe and earth consists of land and water. The surface of the earth is covered by land and even water also. Yes. Our earth. Yes. And these are the keywords of this lesson. Keywords. So let me explain first the keywords. The keywords are like this: earth, number one, earth, EARTH, earth. Second one, planet, PLANET, planet. Globe, GLOBE, globe. Fourth one, atmosphere, 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 atmosphere. Fifth one, mountains, MOUNTAINS, mountains. Sixth one, peaks, PEAKS, peaks. Seventh one, valleys, VALLEYS, valleys. Next, eighth one, plateaus, PLATEAUS, plateaus. Ninth one, plains, PLAINS, plains. 10th one, forest, FORESTS, forest. 11th one, deserts, DESERTS, deserts. Then the last one, 12th one is island, ISLANDS, islands. So these are the 12 words. So these are the 12 words. Yes, once again see children. Earth, planet, globe, atmosphere, mountains, peaks, valleys, plateaus, plains, forest, deserts and island. So these are the keywords. Now one by one we'll see the meaning of these keywords. Earth. Earth is a planet. It is called as a blue planet because Earth has life on it. Earth supports life. Next, second one, Planet. See, don't worry. I'll give you time to write. Don't worry. Advaita. Listen to the words. I'll give you time to write Advaita. Don't get confused and don't worry. Please listen to the words now. So next coming to planet. Planets are the heavenly bodies in the solar system. Planets are the heavenly bodies. Next globe. Globe is the model of the earth. You can see here. See here globe. Globe is the model of the earth. If you want to learn about earth and its structure, so we learn about globe. We check the globe. We refer to the globe. Next, atmosphere. 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 Atmosphere means the surroundings, the air, the water. Yes, the gases present in the nature all together combinedly called as atmosphere. Mountains. Mountains are the highest landforms on the earth. Mountains are the highest landforms. They are very big, very height. Next, peaks. Peaks means the tip of the mountain is called peaks. Tip, tip of the mountain is called peaks. Next, valleys. Valley means the land between two hills or two mountains is called a valley. The land between two hills or two mountains is called a valley. Plateaus. Plateaus means they look like plains only but very high. They are in high position. Means they are high landforms which look like plains only but they are not plains. Plateaus. Next, plains means the place where we are living, where agriculture is possible, where living is possible. So we are all living on plains only. So they are called as plains. Forest. Forest means completely thick area surrounded with different types of trees, and many trees are present in forest and many wild animals are present in the forest. Forests are the home for different wild animals. And deserts. Deserts are the place where you don't have water. You find very less amount of water, or even you don't find water also. So the sand area, the hot area is called as desert. And island. Islands. Islands. S is silent here. You have to call it as island. Island is a place which is surrounded by water on all sides. Island is a place which is surrounded by water on all places. Now all of you please. Yes children, all of you now take out your EVS classwork book. Put the heading Our Earth. Come on all of you. Take out your EVS classwork book. Put the heading Our Earth. Our Earth. O-U-R. Our E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Our Earth. And put today's date. Today is 21st September 2020. You can write there 21-9-20. Our Earth. Put the heading Our Earth. And put the side heading Keywords. Put the side heading Keywords. First main heading is Our Earth. And you have to put today's date. Today is 21st 9-20. And write these keywords. Now all of you write these keywords. Keywords. Earth, planet, everyone you have to write. Don't take much time. 12 words are there. You take 6 minutes. Earth, planet, globe, atmosphere, mountains, peaks, valleys, plateaus, plains, forests, deserts, islands. So one by one I will explain you. One after the other I will explain you. What are mountains, what are peaks, what are valleys, what are plateaus, what are plains, what are forests, what are deserts, and what are islands. So each one I will explain you in detail. So before explanation of the lesson, please children write these keywords, all of you.